Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to empowering you with knowledge about health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the topic of superfoods and how they can boost your health and immunity. Superfoods are nature's nutritional powerhouses, packed with essential nutrients. So, let's uncover the power of superfoods together. Before we begin, it's important to note that superfoods are not magical cure-alls, but rather a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of incorporating superfoods into your daily routine. What are superfoods? First, let's understand what superfoods are. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are exceptionally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. They have been scientifically proven to provide numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. Antioxidant-rich superfoods. One of the key benefits of superfoods is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants protect our cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Examples of antioxidant-rich superfoods include berries, dark leafy greens, and cacao. Superfoods for immunity. Boosting our immune system is crucial, especially during challenging times. Certain superfoods contain immune-boosting properties. Citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and turmeric are among the superfoods known for their immune-enhancing benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids superfoods. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for our overall health, particularly brain health and heart health. Superfoods like fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. High-fiber superfoods. Adequate fiber intake is essential for a healthy digestive system, weight management, and cholesterol control. Superfoods such as quinoa, lentils, and flax seeds are rich in fiber, promoting gut health and overall well-being. Calcium and vitamin D superfoods. Strong bones and teeth rely on sufficient calcium and vitamin D intake. Superfoods like dairy products, fortified plant-based milk, and leafy greens provide an abundance of these essential nutrients. Superfoods for energy. Feeling fatigued? Certain superfoods can provide a natural energy boost. Incorporate foods like bananas, nuts, and seeds into your diet for sustained energy throughout the day. Superfoods for brain health. Maintaining optimal brain function is crucial for overall well-being. Superfoods such as blueberries, avocados, and spinach are known to support brain health, memory, and cognitive function. Superfood recipes and tips. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can be enjoyable and delicious. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll share exciting superfood recipes and tips to help you easily incorporate them into your meals. And there you have it, the power of superfoods to boost your health and immunity. By adding these nutritional powerhouses to your diet, you can enhance your overall well-being and take proactive steps toward a healthier life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness.